Welcome back. Today we will learn big number fast calculation trick. The number is 666 times 667. We will do this 3-digit multiplication without using calculator. So let's see its solution. In the first step we will rewrite 667 to its alternate value 666 plus 1. Now we will use distributive law and multiply this to inside the parentheses values 666 times 666 plus 666 one time is 666. We can rewrite this 666 as 2 times 3 times 111, and same goes for other 666 2 times 3 times 111 plus 666. Now this is very big number to multiply, so we are going to simplify. We will multiply this 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 times 111, and 3 times 3 is 9 times 111 plus 666. Now it is easy to multiply. 4 times 111 times 9 times 111. 444 times 999 plus 666. We can rewrite this 999 as 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1 times 444 plus 666. Now using distributive law, 1000 times 444 is 4,44,000 minus 1 time 444 is 444 plus 666. This will be written as it is 4,44,000, and 666 minus 444 is 222, and sign is positive because bigger number has positive sign. Now it is easy to add 444, 222. That is the answer. I hope you can do this calculation without using calculator. If you like the video, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.